Welcome back, you absolute legends. Today, you're about to witness people with straight-up insane skills and machines running at pure madness level. This compilation will glue your eyes to the screen, guaranteed. Smash that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss a single second. Ready? Let's go! This robotic dog autonomously patrols fields, releasing a fine anti-mosquito fog to shield crops from insects and pests without human intervention. A specially designed long-reach chainsaw carefully excavates around tree trunks, preserving the entire root ball intact for safe transplantation. This ingenious water wheel uses only the river's flow and direction to propel itself and lift water uphill, completely energy-free. A high-speed rice harvester cuts and binds stalks, effortlessly producing the perfect bundles at once. Causing only ripe berries to drop onto conveyors, genius selective harvesting. Rotating metal fingers whirl between rows, disturbing the soil just enough to stop weeds in their tracks, all without a single drop of chemical. A rapid-fire rotary digger with dozens of mini shovels turns and aerates soil in seconds, readying fields ready for planting. Meet the captain hook of farming. This tool yanks out bushes and shrubs root intact in one clean pull. A stair-climbing sack lifter with rotating tracks effortlessly hauls heavy vegetable bags up flights of stairs. dung is compressed into clean fuel bricks using a simple hand tool, then sun-dried for cooking and heating. Ever wondered how those little stickers get perfectly centered on apples? This mesmerizing machine finally reveals the secret. A seedling injector punches plants deep into the soil with pinpoint precision. One squeeze, one perfect plant. Just a stick and a cut plastic bottle become an ultra-efficient fertilizer dispenser for small-scale farmers. An AI-powered vision system instantly detects cracked or bad eggs and ejects them before they reach packing. A red-hot charcoal tin melts perfect planting holes through plastic mulch, a brilliant low-tech trick passed down generations. Eggshells, corn cobs, and kitchen waste are transformed into nutritious animal feed pellets in minutes. Hay bales are compressed and wrapped in plastic at dizzying speed, preserving feed for months. A solar-powered floating boat glides through flooded fields, watering crops using the water it floats on. Whole watermelons and rejected fruits are shredded instantly into high-protein livestock feed. A sharp probe slides effortlessly into grain bags to extract perfect samples for quality testing. Stacked aluminum sieves with progressively smaller holes sort blueberries by size in one graceful cascade. Simple wooden bars spaced apart gently separate plums into different sized grades as they roll. To protect free-range chickens from foxes and hawks, farmers place them inside rolling spherical cages, safe yet free to graze. This onion harvester lifts bulbs individually with a vertical conveyor belt. No more back-breaking hand picking. A self-guided sprayer dances side to side, delivering pesticide with hypnotic precision. Agricultural drones now fly low over crops, spot spraying pesticides exactly where needed. The future is here. Like a Roomba for your lawn, this autonomous mower cuts grass perfectly while you relax. A star-shaped hay sweeper gathers loose straw from all directions into one tidy windrow for baling. A bicycle that walks on robotic legs, possibly the coolest and strangest farm transport ever invented. A vacuum-powered dandelion harvester sucks the entire root out in one clean pull. Goodbye weeds. Limeys roll through spinning cylinders with graduated holes, automatically sorted by diameter. Elevated robotic pruning platforms let workers trim tall orchard trees safely and twice as fast. Fresh spinach bunches are tied with perfect knots in the blink of an eye. Cucumbers are sliced and diced at lightning speed by this hypnotic industrial blade machine. Dried corn kernels are vacuumed upward and ground into fine flour in one seamless process. A motorized wheelbarrow with tank-like tracks carries half a ton of watermelons without breaking a sweat.